And then, okay, one last basic function is then the blinds, is a blinds function. So where we control indeed, blinds. So therefore, same exercise, I'll just need to go to the channel. Well, this time I will use channel 3 of the push button, so row 3, those two rockers here. And I'll just make sure that I'll have the proper objects for that. So I just need to select via the parameters the correct function. So so instead of switching no feedback, that would be blinds no feedback. And then I have indeed here two objects, one for making the blind move and one for making the blind stop or to step the blinds. This time I would not need switching actuator, not the dimming actuator either, but indeed the blinds actuator. And there, sorry if so channel 3 of the push button and channel 1 of the blinds actuator. And then we have again the overview of all objects. And here again, we can see indeed that there is a move object also for the blinds actuator, a step stop as well. And also here a third one, so for a position. So it's the same principle as for the dimmer. So you can, with one command, make the blinds move into a specific position, like example given 50%, it would just stop here in the middle of the range, so to say. Yeah, so that's it. That's basically the same as before. So I just need to link the objects that are involved in this function in order to control the load. So move object from the push button shall be moved with the move object of the blinds actuator. So always the same principle, link with. Maybe also here I start another range, 2, 0, 1. Step stop, same thing. So link with 202 automatically suggested by ETS, fine. And then one more for the position. Link with, and indeed there we have it. So I'll start with the blinds actuator again. So programming it, download. Of course, a full download again, because it's the first time I program the device. And well, I just need to go to the devices and select the appropriate device, which is the blinds actuator, this one here, put it in programming mode. Just wait a bit. And when ETS is finished, I can again play with the monitor in order to test the the actuator. Oh, sorry. So here we are. Make it smaller again. Diagnostics. So I clear it first, and then I could make it move, or maybe I'll make it move first. Yeah, let's try that. So that would be the first object. So okay. Move it up. Well, it is already in the up position, so it would be rather move down, and then click the right button, and then we will see here in the animation indeed that the blinds go down. So I need to wait until the movement stops. Okay, stops. And now I could use the 203 in order to drive it to a specific position in the middle. Like, in the middle would be 50%, of course. So right. And then we'll just wait for the blinds to stop in the middle. And there it is. And of course, I could make it move up again completely, or with an up command, of course. Could also do that. Or even with a step command would also be a possibility. So decrease, that would be decrease. So go back up is decrease actually. So let's try right, then I go one step up. I don't know if you've seen it. One step again, one step again, one step again. Of course, I could also make an increase. It goes back down, down. Or, as I have said, just in one command, back to 0 would also be a possibility, and it goes up. All right, so the activator works fine. Now let's also include the push button. So therefore, as you know, just a partial download will do the job. And then we'll see that yet I have another symbol here. So B for blinds, move down, and blinds move up. So move down like this. So that was a long push. A short push just stops the movement. And of course, I can make steps accordingly. Step down, a step up, a step up. Move back up again. So a long push. Stop again. Long push, go down again. And so on and so on. So I indeed, as you can see, I have a function with which I can control blinds. And also here for feedback, same principle applies. Just get the feedback objects. Yeah, just get them via the parameters first and link them. And if necessary, indeed, in order to have a proper behavior also when there's a reset of the bus, yeah, include then the flags that we have discussed before. Okay, so I'll basically am finished here. Of course, we still have, let's say, about 10 minutes, and then I have to leave this room. So that would be enough time, I guess, I hope, for questions from your side, if there are any. But just please give me a moment in order to look at questions or remarks that might already have been put in the chat box so far. And then, yeah, just shoot, I would say, if there are any other additional questions. So, yeah, just give me a minute, please, now.